Children with special needs require training and help by well-trained professionals because it involves major responsibility to teach and interact with children who have variety of disabilities. Mr. Mahadev Shinde is working in the field of special education since 1996. He has reformed special education in a very innovative way which fulfills individual differences, disabilities and special needs. His teaching process involves the individually planned and systematically monitored arrangement of teaching procedures, adapted equipments, materials and accessible settings.
म्हजो भुरगो ऑटिस्टिक चाइल्ड आनी जेन्ना म्हजो भुरगो स्कुलान एंटर जालो तेन्ना तो ना म्हणून क्लासीन तो इतलो मस्तीपणा करी की क्लासीन तो एक जाग्यार तो बसोन नासलो आनी खूब मस्तीपणा तो करी आनी जेन्ना तो शिंदे सराचे क्लासीन पडला तेन्ना तो इतलो कूल जाला आनी तो इतलो चेंज जाला आनी सरान ताका इतलो चेंज केला
सपोर्ट केलो मागीर तेजे क्लासीन सदां डिसिप्लीन आसता तेजे क्लासीन भुरगीं सिस्टमॅटीक बसतात.
Mr. Shinde's interventions are designed to help individuals with special needs achieve a higher level of self-sufficiency and success in school, personal life and in their community. He has initiated innovative concepts like reinforcement schedule, clean and beautiful classroom with theme every year, special workbooks, special notebooks, literature for special parent, computer and tablet-based learning, class teachers' home visit, and parents' active participation in the class. This makes Shinde sir special. Mr. Shinde is serving in the field of disability area since last 2 decades. He upgraded his knowledge through various in-service training programs like B.Ed in Special Education, Postgraduate Diploma in Special Olympics, Sign Language, Yogasana and Computer. He has been a resource person for Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan, sports and special education. He is a founder member of Yashasvi, Special Employees Association and Svikar, Special Parents Association. Mahadev Shinde has taken initiative to conduct activities like Yogasana, therapeutics, homebound program and activity-based learning. He has tried his therapeutic activities with many CP students and most of them have benefited, and one of them is walking independently. During 24 years of his tenure, he has done many unique activities and won several awards and was felicitated by various organizations. Let's take a quick look at his efforts and milestone achievements in special education field. He has assisted in the setting up of 2 new special schools in the state of Goa, introduced sports in the special schools of Goa. He has coached the India floor hockey team and won 4 gold and 1 bronze medal in the World Games at Austria in 2017. Trained special children in dance, drama, art, craft, drills and brought laurels for the school. Conducting yogasanas and pranayam classes for special children from last 22 years. From last 8 years, he has released 9 workbooks for special children and has dedicated books to them. He is providing training of many sports activities in the school during vacations from grassroots level to development level to participate in state, national and internationals and won the medals for the country. He has introduced new products for vocational like candle in the coconut shell and Diwali package. Besides that, he has helped in job training, placement, counseling and sale. This tireless effort and the solid educational material generated from it is benefiting not only the special children and their parents but also other people in the field of education.
या दिव्यांगांसाठी माननीय श्री महादेव शिंदे सर गोवा यांच्या अभ्यासपूर्ण 8 पुस्तिकांच्या माध्यमातून दिव्यांगांना मिळालेले एक वरदानच आहे असे मी मानतो.
Shinde sir has the mindset to do a great job for the special children and the society in the future, and he has the target to train at least 10 athletes for World Games, job placement of 10 special children and homebound training program for 10 students.